Kia ora. Oh, I've got a bad case of the hiccups, but I'm going to get rid of them right now. Water, please. Here goes. Yay! I got rid of them! Maybe not. Oh, what causes hiccups anyway?
I don't know what causes hiccups. It's when you eat fast. When you take a lot of breath and then you wait for a while and sometimes when you eat really fast. If you're coughing and you eat fast, get hiccups, you have to run. And when you get the hiccups, you can get some water and drink it and then it goes away. Sounds pretty tricky.
Oh, well, you guys could be right. Oh. I've heard of frogs in your throat, but this is ridiculous. What kind of animal makes a sound anyway? Hey, you know what it feels like? It feels like you're breathing in, but you stop halfway. So maybe hiccuping is something to do with breathing. Yeah. Now, I know that breathing's all about getting air into our lungs. And once it's there, the oxygen in the air moves around our body and our blood and helps our bodies work. Hear that? It's air being sucked into my lungs, and air being pushed out of my lungs, and air being sucked into my lungs. So somewhere down there is a sucking machine, and it's not one of these. Oh no, the thing that's doing the sucking is made of muscle. Of course you have muscles all over your body, just like this one here. Check it out. You spend hours at the gym to develop muscles like these. Yeah, rock hard, isn't it? Yeah, you spend hours at the gym for these kind of muscles. Okay, you can also use a rolled up sock. Let's check out a real muscle. This muscle is a bicep, and muscles work by contracting and getting smaller and tightening, and then relaxing and loosening off. Contract, relax. Contract, relax. But the tricky thing is that the muscle that helps our lungs breathe the air in and push the air out is way down inside us, so we can't see it. Now, luckily, I just happen to have a Suzy Cato X-ray machine, so we can see deep inside my body. Let me just turn on the Suzy scope. There. Deep inside me is... Oh, I think that's my breakfast. Well, I was hungry. Let me just turn the knob. There, that's better. Now you can see the air being sucked into my lungs and pushed out again. And the thing that's doing all the work is this big dome-shaped muscle. See how it works like the other muscles? Contracts, releases. Contracts, releases. Hey, it reminds me of something. An umbrella. The diaphragm is like an umbrella. Not in the way it protects you from the rain, but in the way it changes shape. From this to this. To this. To this. Contract and release. Contract and release. And look at what's happening above. When the diaphragm moves up, air is pushed out of my lungs. And when it moves down, air is sucked into my lungs. Air in, air out. Air in, air out. Hey, I'm thinking if hiccups have something to do with breathing, then that diaphragm has a lot to do with it. Hey, have you noticed? My hiccups have gone. But I'll tell you something interesting. When you make that sound, it doesn't come from way down there. It comes from somewhere in here in your throat. Another piece of the hiccup jigsaw. And I think I'm putting those pieces together. See, what happens is that big muscle deep inside here called the diaphragm is working all the time, contracting and releasing, going up and going down as you breathe in and out, and in and out. Only sometimes, and nobody knows why, it goes into spasm and doesn't work properly. And when it spasms, it sucks air into your body far faster than it normally does, and that makes the hiccup. See? And that's when this kicks into action. Your brain, which controls your breathing and keeps a close eye on it, detects that there's something that's not right. Listen. See? Quick as a flash, the brain sends a message to the muscles in your throat saying, "Hey, that air's being sucked in too fast. Stop it now. And those muscles in your throat up there, get into action quick smart." They close your throat off, stopping any more air from getting down there. Just like that. And that's why a hiccup sounds the way it does. It's the sound of air rushing in and being stopped quickly. Now we know what a hiccup is, how about a good way to stop hiccups? Because I don't want to end up like the world record hiccup holder. He was a pig farmer in America who had the hiccups non-stop from 1922 to 1987. That's 65 years. Well, I'm not waiting that long. Luckily, there are a number of foolproof hiccup cures that everybody knows about. One of these will work, I'm sure. Like the drink as much as you can of a glass of water really, really quickly. That works. Not. But have you heard the one about eating a teaspoon of sugar? This is supposed to cure hiccups. Did it work? No. But there is another one. Eat a glass of ice. Could I have a fruit cocktail on ice, please? Hold the fruit cocktail. Great, thank you. Here goes. Well, that's better than the sugar. And does it work? No. Okay. How about the tried and true drink out of the glass of water on the wrong side? That's a goodie. Here goes. Talk about ridiculous. So, there's a big dome of muscles in here called the diaphragm. And every now and then, they get out of control and they spasm. And too much air is sucked into your lungs, so your throat closes, and that makes the hic sound. See? And maybe next time you get hiccups, you can try some of those foolproof cures that I tried. Or better yet, if you know a good way to stop hiccups, why don't you let me know? Maybe you've got some questions that you'd like answered. You can write to us at Suzy's World, P.O. Box 34307, Birkenhead, Auckland. Or head to the website www.suzy.co.nz. Of course, there is one way they say you can get rid of hiccups, and that's with a really big fright. Boom. I tell you what, I'm just about prepared for anything. Well, I'm not, but Stunt Suzy is. And I tell you what, this should be really scary. Oh, Suzy, you're so mean! Look! It's so scary! But if it gets rid of my hiccups, okay, here goes! Oh no, the thing that's doing the sucking has muscles. It's made up of muscle. I've heard of a throg in your throat. Throg in your throat.
This program was made with funding from New Zealand On Air.